my girl is feeling it. You feel it, guys. Yes, hello Khasi people, Shillong, Megalia, Kumnopilong, Paralok. Welcome back everyone. So today we have a latest music video from one amazing team here, or you can say the Khasi artist. Today we are going to react to both female and male Khasi artists, guys. So the song title is NGIN NGIN something like that. Hope I didn't pronounce wrong. We have Arman here and we have Basuk feat Alexzehn. Okay, can't wait to check it out because actually guys, in this music video I have a lot of my friends that I made previously in Shillong, so I'm also so happy to see their latest music video. Love you all. Let's go. Kiki Garud Studio. Let's go, my people. Wow. Who was driving that car? Where is this? I think that place is Assam, right? Oh, I can see you, Michael Pingrove. It's my first time seeing this girl. Arman, let's go, bro. Yes. Come, let's dance. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Yes, let's go. This part is for you, ladies, okay? This place looks so beautiful also. Okay. Let's go, football match. Kendeng. Oh my gosh, who did that? Wow, wow, wow. Let's go. You, that guy like this guy. Najim handsome la. My girl is feeling it. You feel it, guys. And this guy is just sliding and pulling. Okay, let's go, Ronaldo. Who is gonna score? Oh, Kiki is there. Oh, Kiki made a goal. Woo! Kiki, you should be Ronaldo fan. Bro gave a free goal to Kiki. That was fun. That was fun. But I knew, bro, you gave a free goal to Kiki. I know Kiki cannot do a goal. Yo, that was it, guys. Really amazing. You know what make this music so amazing? Like the energy from all the team, and I just love how people are shining in this music video. Like especially when it comes to both the group, ladies and boys. Wow, you just made the music so interesting. Like I cannot even just blink my eyes off because it's so amazing. And I just love that freestyle of that guy who did the flip guy. Who's that one who did the flip? Yeah, that one was so nice. And also, yeah, I never there's few faces here I never met before, like Arman. Also, I never met Arman in Shillong when I've been there, but I met most of the guys and those ladies. And also this lady, the singer, what is her name? Yeah, let me check. She sounds so good. It's my first time reacting to her. Yeah. We have here the singer Arman Dieser and Basuk. Okay. Basuk. Yeah, it's my first time listening to that lady, but she really sounds so good. And yeah, she sounds talented also. Yeah, it is really amazing seeing Michael Pinrock, seeing Rang, Kinshai, we have Birbol, we have Mayban Tai, we have Frankie. Yo, Frankie, I know you very well. We have Frankie, we have Pinchingen, Lingdo, we have Pinchingen, that two Pinchingen, Lingdo, and Pinchingen, Dakar. Are they sisters or what? They have same name. Okay, anyway, that was really amazing, guys. I just love it. Wishing all the best for your team, guys. I love all the performance, the song, guys. Kindly from next time, Arman, it's a request. If you have any big project, try to keep like the English subtitle because we are watching you here also. We would love to understand more about your music video. Just know you guys are really putting great work, so make sure to complete your work because you don't know where your music might reach one day. Okay, so whenever you do great work like this, like honestly, this music is so great and it looks so quality, and the places I saw and a lot of different cars I'm sure you spend on that, right? You really spend on such music, so make sure to spend on make sure to complete your own work. So what I'm trying to say, next time keep the English subtitle for sure because you did much. I know you guys really spent a lot to bring this amazing music video, and from Kiki Guru the studio, that is really big creators also. So I need to see English subtitle for the next music. And yeah, love you all. Wishing you all the best, guys. I love your team. And maybe we'll see you soon. God bless you all.